everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm here to share with you all one of the best AI tool with which you are going to create your own PPTs very easily. I know in today's business world, creating PPTs manually can be quite hectic sometimes. But don't you worry because you are in the right place. I'm going to share with you all a quick tutorial on how to use XPT Chat to create sleek professional presentation effortlessly. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your browser. If you already have an account, then just log in. But if you're new to this platform, you have to create your own account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the XPT Chat dashboard. On the left side, click on AI tools to access all the premium tools. Select PPT generative from the list of tools. Here you need to enter some of the details. For the presentation title, type in your title like here I am entering marketing experts. In the second column, enter presenter's name like suppose Aisha. Next, you have two options for adding content to your slides. You can either upload a document file or paste your content directly into the text box. Specify the number of slides, like I'm here entering 5 slides because I need 5, but you can adjust it based on your needs. Choose your PowerPoint template from the available options. For example, I'm selecting this one that fits my presentation style. Finally, click on Generate PPT, and in just minutes, you will have a crafted beautiful presentation ready to go. And that's it, you have created a professional presentation with XPT Chat in no time. So guys, work smarter, not harder. Try xptchat.com right now because it is one of the best AI